Imagine a world where the microwave oven never existed, drastically changing how we cook and manage our time. Introduced in the 1940s by Percy Spencer, the microwave revolutionized kitchens by drastically shortening cooking times and offering unprecedented convenience. Without it, daily meal preparation would be significantly more time-consuming, forcing reliance on traditional stoves and ovens for reheating and cooking. Its absence wouldn't only transform personal routines, but would also impact businesses that depend on rapid food service, from fast food chains to office lunchrooms. Microwaves have become an essential tool in modern life, illustrating how this unassuming appliance has shaped culinary practices and efficient living.